Hi, my name is Natalia. I live in Palmira and work in a back location in the city of Cali. I want to talk to you about the topics of the current deforestation that the Amazon forests are suffering due to illegal activities from some people interested in gaining more land for their livestock business to feed from. In the last 4 years, we have been witnessing a series of forest fires affecting flora and fauna in the Amazon area. Some of these fires might be due to climate change. Drones stand are happening throughout the year because of global warming, but there have been reports of specific events where evidence suggests that intentional people seeking an economic benefit are setting fire to the woods in the Amazon forest to get rid of trees and other obstacles and adapt the land for their cause in on their livestock to feed from. The impact on the environment is huge because animals, trees, and several other species are deemed because of this practice in the carbon dioxide emissions are affecting the greenhouse effect in the atmosphere as well. I think test people should be, be persecuted and cointed being the different government entities in charge in order to set a precedent and this why other people will hesitate before committing this horrible crime for economical benefits. Thank you.